Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this vlog, I'm going to be taking you guys along a few productive days in my life, and it's going to be like a small little vlog with a few clips of me reorganizing stuff, studying things, and doing a few daily chores and all of that. And you guys will see more of that into the video. Let me know down in the comments how you like this video and some video ideas I can try out in the future. And I've been thinking of two video ideas, which is either a productive day in my life where I take you along a whole day, or maybe a productive week in my life where you guys follow me along for a whole week. So let me know down in the comment which of those two you guys want to watch in the next video. And without any further delay, let's get that in the video. made it so far into the video, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope that you guys like this video, and it means a lot to me that you reached so far into the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also, let me know down in the comments which of those 2 ideas which I mentioned in the start of the video would you guys like me to try out in the future, and also a few other video ideas of you guys' choice which I can try out in the future. And let me know down in the comments also if you guys like more of a silent type of video where I just add subtitles, or videos where I give a voiceover where I come in the middle and talk with you guys. And also comment down the cupboard emoji so that I know that you guys have made it this far. And look forward to my next video, and I'll be seeing you in that one. Until then, bye guys.